Now you'll notice that this is just hanging out in midair, this crank, and those are just hanging in midair. That's not very realistic, and it's not going to make our render look very real either. So at the very least, we're going to basically add in our axles. Now it just so happens that we have a construction plane in the mid-plane here, and we're going to use that in order to create our axles from both points, and it's going to be a two-phase project. So let's just go in and create a sketch on this point here. We're now going to use the project tool. We're going to use the project tool and we're going to create that one, that one, that one, and that one. Cancel, project, make sure you get it right. Project just the outsides of these squares. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And press on OK. I'm going to hit stop sketch now. So I've now got this sketch hanging out in the middle. I'm going to modify that sketch and just that little sketch there. And I'm going to choose a symmetric one. And if I go over here and we can see I pull it out to about here, it's gone out on both sides. And if I pull it out just a little bit further than the edge there, it'll just add a nice bit of interest. Make sure we change this to new body, otherwise they'll get stuck together. And press on OK. So you can now see that we've done that particular one there, and we've done it with a special type of thing that's symmetrical, so it's out the same on both sides. Let's actually use the same idea to create another sketch on that plane again. So we'll turn it back on, create sketch on that plane. This time we're going to use this one here. So I'm going to project, P for project. I'm going to click on this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and we're going to press OK. And we're going to stop sketch. Now we're going to have to find that so we can easily see it. And this time we're going to go modify, and this one here. This time I'm going to do two sides, not a one-sided one, because it's not going to be symmetrical. This side, as we pull it out, is going to go out about there. But this side will drag out to about there. And once again, it's a new body. And click on OK. Okay, so we've now got our crank. The last thing we probably need to do is put a little hole in there for our dowel. So let's go with that one. Circle. Our dowel is going to be 6 millimeters. It needs to be in the middle of that. So we're going to piece P for project. And if we project that circle there, we should get the middle of that circle. Press OK. There it is there. Now we can use that circle point to get our 6 millimeter dowel in there. Stop sketch. Q or project and -12. Okay. So we're now ready to put everything in place. That's all good. We're now up to the final stage, which is creating the render.